A Fort Collins acupuncture therapist accused of sexually assaulting clients during sessions could receive a plea deal. Now, a judge denied an initial deal today, but a second hearing is coming.
And for the accusers, they're worried a deal won't bring them closure. Here is Denver 7's Gary Brode.
I feel disappointed. I feel like this is a clear case of a sexual predator. I feel empowered knowing that I spoke the truth.
Kristen Vogt and Sarah Newbert, along with two other women, testified Tuesday morning asking for a stiffer penalty as they detail moments they claim acupuncture therapist Kent Nixon sexually assaulted them during their sessions here in Fort Collins. He was arrested in 2020.
It makes me very sick and angry that he used his position of trust to violate me and to violate so many other women.
Court documents show an agreement was reached between Nixon and Laramie County District Attorney Gordon McLaughlin. The deal would have Nixon plead guilty to 9 counts of fake medical exams instead of sex crimes, but the judge rejected the deal. The testimony of Newbert and Vogt may have had an impact, and if these two victims get their way, will send this case to trial.
Throughout this whole thing, I have told the truth. All of the victims have told the truth. It takes a lot of courage to stand in front of a room of people and talk about being abused, especially with the abuser 4 feet away from you.
In this case, this wasn't just a position of power, it was also a position of trust.
Amanda Olivier is executive director for Sexual Assault Victim Advocate Center. She has concern a soft plea deal in this case sends the wrong message.
Yes, I do think that seeing plea deals come through or cases not get taken does send a message to survivors of what's the point, right, of coming forward. I think the biggest message I want is that they're not alone.
We went to Nixon's business where an associate told us he's declining to comment. District Attorney McLaughlin tells us they have devoted extensive resources to the prosecution of this case and that the district attorney fully complied with the Victims' Right Act, which included meeting with all victims who chose to provide input prior to finalizing any tentative offers or presenting an agreement to this court. The next hearing is scheduled for October 29th. In Fort Collins, Gary Brode, Denver 7.